Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download and install Genshin Impact on your PC. So it's pretty simple. So first you want to go to your browser and then just search for Genshin Impact download. Once you search for Genshin Impact download, click on the first option. It'll take you to their website. Now once you're in Genshin Impact's website, you want to scroll a bit down and choose over here PC download. Now if you have other device, choose this, but if you have PC, click on PC download. Once you click on PC download, your Genshin Impact installer will be downloaded. Once the installer is downloaded, it's going to be shown on your downloads folder. You can open up your downloads folder and double click on this installation folder. Once this installation program opens up, it's going to look just like this. Now from over here, you want to choose I have read all its terms and service and click on advanced. Once you click on advanced and click on change, you can choose at which folder or which place you want to save Genshin Impact. So after you choose the location where you want to save Genshin Impact, you can click on install now and your Genshin Impact will start to download. And it's a 156 GB game, so make sure you have that, alright? So after you click on install now, it'll start to download. And after it's downloading, it's complete, you can open it and play Genshin Impact on your PC. So that's how you guys can download and install Genshin Impact. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.